The Indian desert, one of the main physiographic division of India, major physiographic division of India, the Indian desert. Now the Great Indian Desert, it's also called the Thar Desert, Marusthali, and we have a rough idea that it's in somewhat the western part of India. That's it. Now let's study about the Indian desert in detail. Let's get started. Okay. The Indian desert, it lies to the northwest of the Aravallis. Now Aravalli is a mountain range starting from Delhi, ending in Palanpur in Gujarat. So in the northwest of the Aravallis, the Indian desert is found. It's located. See in the map here. This is the north, south, west, east. This is the Aravalli range. So it's in the northwest. This is the desert. Northwest of the Aravallis. The desert is found in the northwest of the Aravallis. Second, it's dotted with barkhans, mushroom rocks. Dotted means in the desert, the Indian desert, there are sand dunes. The sand dunes keep shifting. That's why we call them shifting sand dunes also. There are different types of sand dunes. One of them is barkhan, which is a crescent shaped sand dune. As you can see here, it's a crescent like a moon. Crescent shaped sand dune. So there are a lot of barkhans, mushroom rocks, oases. Mushroom rocks means in the shape, rocks have been cut because of the erosion, the wind erosion. Mainly the rocks have been cut in the shape of a mushroom. That's why we call them mushroom rocks. You can see here mushroom rocks. Oases are there in the Indian desert. Oasis means it's a part or the piece of land where water comes to the surface in the desert areas. It's very rare. That is oasis. See, oasis. Then it's believed, there's a strong belief that Indian desert, the Great Indian Desert, was under the sea in the Mesozoic era. Mesozoic era means in the geography also, we like in history we have a timeline dating back to previous years and all, AC, BD. Same way in geography we have different Mesozoic era, Paleozoic, many others. So just remember, the Indian desert is said to be or is believed to be that it was under the sea in the Mesozoic era. Mesozoic. And how do we know that it was under the sea? Because we come to know because the fossils have been found in the Indian desert, fossils of animals under the sea. That is why we know that it was, that is why we can prove that it was under the sea. And Mesozoic era was 180 million years before. So that is why we can say, seeing the fossils, there's a fossil park also, famous fossil park in Jaisalmer. Seeing the fossils, we can make out that it was under the sea in the Mesozoic area. Next, the underlying rock structure of the desert. Underlying rock structure means the desert has sand dunes. There's a lot of sand. If you go deep down the sand, you'll find rock structure. So the rock structure of the desert, seeing that it is believed that the Indian desert rock structure is an extension or a continuation of the peninsular plateau. Next point about desert is river Luni. Now, the main river flowing in the desert is river Luni. It is an ephemeral river. Just remember this word, ephemeral. Ephemeral river means a seasonal river. That means a river which does not have water throughout the year. It gets water only in the rainy season, or ephemeral means a river which gets water in the rainy season or when the snow is melting. So here of course there is no snow in the desert. So this river Luni gets water in the rainy season. That's why it's called ephemeral river. There is inland drainage. Inland drainage means the water of the Luni river does not enter the ocean or any sea. It's within the land. That's why we call it inland. Means it's not able to move up to the sea or to the ocean. It's within the sea. Here in the map I'll show you. The Luni river is starting here and it is not entering. Here is Pakistan. The sea is here. So it is not dropping into the Arabian Sea. Before that it gets disappeared. So that's why we say inland drainage. Now the lakes and the playas. Playa is flat basin, a flat land which gets dried up very fast and because of evaporation, because of the heat in the deserts. So the lakes and playas have brackish water. Brackish means it's not fit for drinking. That is why you must have heard the name Sambhar Lake. It's in the desert region of Rajasthan. So all the lakes, playas of the desert, they have brackish water. That is why salt is manufactured there. Next is the rain. Of course, it's a desert. Desert means what comes to your mind? Water scarcity. Water scarcity is there. That's why Liver Dooney does not have water throughout the year. Water scarcity is there. Rainfall is very low. It's 150 millimeter. Usually when we are measuring the rainfall, or when we read about the rainfall, it comes in centimeter. But in this desert, it's only 150 millimeter. This vegetation is very scarce. Vegetation means you will not find dense forest in the desert region of Rajasthan and parts of Kutch, that is Gujarat. But the desert vegetation consists of only thorny plants, plants which have thorns like cactus. You will find acacia there. So vegetation is very scarce. That is why the Indian desert is also called by the name Marusthali. Hope that's clear. I'll just share this image. You can have a look and understand about the Indian desert and remember it. Thank you. Have a nice weekend.